All right, exciting news. The older 2022, 23, and 24 Volvo Recharge vehicles are getting new update. Mine is a 2023 C40, XC40. All of them are getting some updates. Just got the notification. Some of them already got it. In this case, you can see it's upgrading to 5.05. But anyway, what's different? A lot of things are different. This clunky interface, they've changed it to something that is going to look a little better. Definitely bigger buttons on the bottom, easy to access shortcuts, and much more refined map here without a lot of noise, and a lot of basically everything we complained about this they're trying to address, not fully but somewhat. So 5.05 also is important because it is actually a recall as well. So the screen sometimes blacks out when you throw the car in reverse. It doesn't immediately come on, or these cameras don't work, they black out. That is part of the recall, and this particular version 5.05 is addressing just that. So anyway, so those are the things that I just need to quickly point out. Important update. Make sure you update it when it comes. If you don't get it, then you need to take it to a dealership and they can sideload the 5.05 onto your car. So I'll install and show the difference of how the interface is. All right, time to install the new 5.05. 40% battery level is required. Leave and lock the car and start the installation. Installing something, I think it'll take like 30 minutes. All right, took about 30 minutes. It said 90 minutes, but it got done really fast. Software update complete. And that's my normal media player stuff. Okay, first look, what's different? These things are very clearly visible, nice and big. Like that the center is the climate control interface. So quick buttons, more of shortcut buttons all around. That's nice. Auto and climate off is clear on top. That's good. Rear and max defroster is here. Awesome. Recirculation is here as well. Okay, different menu for seat heating. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can manually select instead of tapping multiple times. As well as, what is it here? Quick, the link is there. Okay, let's see what else is here. Quick controls, lane keep, one pedal drive. Nice, you can turn on and off here. So lots of shortcuts, that's all I can see. Oh, rear headrest fold. Every shortcut is here. That's a nice menu right there. And sound, it's a little bit slow, the interface, but it was always slow, so it's not like it improved that part. Focus everyone, focus on the driver. Okay, and privacy. So privacy settings are there, which I appreciate. We had to go through one by one. Anyway, so looks like we got the update. So that is the main ordeal. Oh, the menu app drawer seems to be pretty cool. Get more apps. Got to do some of that. And with settings, what else is there? Connectivity, charging, schedules are there, amp limit. Pretty much everything is the same, just the interface is somewhat different, I want to say. Nice new interface. Now let's move this side. All right. That looks kind of cool. Remember this side used to be completely separate. Now this thing is like integrated into it. And I really like that, the design here. Sort of similar, but a little more visible. That's what I like about it. It's integrated. It's not like the map is like in the middle. It's like all the way with inserts of these bigger icons. All right, I like it. And that's all the new stuff is. Hope you get it soon. If not, go to the dealer and get it yourself.